Most organizations want to move their systems into the cloud. And why wouldn't they? There's clear advantages. But industry analysts tell us that the majority of production systems are still not cloud hosted. So what's stopping this? Well, historically, it was concerns over security. Less about availability and integrity, but more about not being able to wrap your hands around your own systems, confidentiality. But that's changing. Organizations are more accepting now of what the cloud can offer and the extra security that can actually be brought to play. So there's something else. And we at Bell Integration believe it's the complexity of the journey, it's the risk of business disruption, and it's the pain that may be experienced in migrating services into the cloud. One of the largest retailers told us that when it comes to choosing where they're going to host their production platforms, there's 3 key criteria. Thirdly, improvement of service. Secondly, reduction in cost. But number 1, minimizing the risk and the disruption caused through to the migration. So what can be done to remove those concerns? Well, at Bell, we believe it's all about people, platform, and process. It's methodology, it's consultancy services, and it's our platform vClarus. The main benefits of vClarus is to accelerate the migration itself and greatly reduce the risks associated with that. When it comes to the migration, one of the important aspects is not just making the migration journey quicker, but reducing the period of time between starting a migration and completing a migration. After all, the moment a migration commences, you're in 2 places, and that's costing twice. So we greatly accelerate the timeline to get that migration in place. So what is the best approach? Well, every migration needs to follow some key events. And we believe at Bell Integration, we have a unique way of doing that. When it comes to discovery, most tools that play in the migration space tend to concentrate on the infrastructure. What we're able to do with vClarus is actually understand the end-to-end. It's the services. It's what's being supplied. Who's consuming it? What's the importance of a given service to a business? What's its criticality? All these things need to be understood and considered. We're able to capture information of vClarus right at the very top, from services, through applications, and then into the infrastructure. We don't just understand the technical dependencies, but we understand the business workflows between applications. It's only by understanding the end-to-end that we're actually able to have a successful and low-risk migration. So next, what's crucial to understand is how items are going to be migrated and where they're going to go. So vClarus is a governance, data repository, and decision engine that helps with all of those. So it understands the hosting options available from the various different cloud providers. It can actually recommend application by application the right hosting place. Secondly, it's about understanding how things should be moved. So we, within vClarus, understand the migration strategies. Is it about rehosting? Is it about putting your application somewhere safer? Is it about transformation? And they then map down into detailed migration methods, how we're going to be doing the migrations, and finally into the very detailed milestones and tasks associated. And all of this is run by an automated decision engine. So not only as the discovered data goes into vClarus, it's checking the data quality, it's normalizing the data, it's even reporting the data conflicts from all the different data sources. This way we've got an accurate view of what needs to be moved. The hosting recommendation is based upon that information. And then finally, as we've discovered and worked out the best way of migrating items, the migration methods, we feed in key criteria, such as maintenance windows, change freeze periods, what needs to move with what are the dependencies between these, all tracked within vClarus. And finally, vClarus will actually generate all the detailed migration project plans, migration events, maximizing the usage of people, understanding people constraints, and finally optimizing the journey to the cloud. As we said at the very beginning, it's all about choosing the right platform, and it's all about minimizing the risk through the migration journey. There are many different cloud hosting options, whether it be software as a service, whether it be platform, or whether it be making use of infrastructure as a service. vClarus will help you choose the right one and move you there. So why choose Bell Integration? Why choose vClarus? Well, we believe it's our combination of our people and the vClarus platform and the process methodology with well over a decade of experience in doing such migrations that means it will be the right choice.